Hi guys, my name is Jade William and today I'm going to be teaching you how to decorate and ice a cake. So first, you're going to start off with your rotating cake stand. You're going to have your cakes, your icing tips, a spatula, a piping bag, your scraper, and icing. I use buttercream icing, but you could also use pre-made icing or royal icing depending on which one you want to do. So first, what I did was I baked my cakes and I leveled them out to make sure you get an even tier. Then I filled the middle of the cake to give it more height. So what you're going to start doing is you're going to take your icing and you're just going to put it on the side of the cake. Like so, making sure that you stay nice and thick around it so you can smooth it out later. Once you have your icing on the side of your cake, you're going to take your other spatula and just start going around and making sure that your icing is nice and smooth, nice and even. So you're just going to make sure that all your holes in the side of your cake are filling, that no cake is showing. So next, you're going to take your icing again and you're going to put it on top of your cake. You're going to take your spatula again and just start smoothing out the icing to make sure it's nice and thick. You want to keep an even layer over the entire cake. You want to make sure that you don't push down too hard with your spatula because then you'll get crumbs in your icing and then your cake will turn out really bad. So you're just going to make sure your cake is nice and even. Once you have icing over the entire cake, it's nice to take a scraper and just make sure everything is nice and smooth. Get out any kind of wrinkles that you couldn't get with your spatula. And it's easy if you just set the scraper right on the cake stand and just make sure it's all nice, evenly, and smooth. Okay, so now we're going to do a little bit of decorating. So you're going to take your piping bag with icing and you're just going to put the icing down into the piping bag. You're going to roll the lip up and push all your icing down to the tip. So I'm using a star tip shape, but you can use whatever shape you'd like. So basically, you're just going to nice and easy just make little stars around the bottom of your cake just by squeezing really nice and even. Just make sure you keep even pressure so all your stars come out the same. Alright, so this is your finished product. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This is how you ice and decorate a cake.